Good morning and welcome to Storytime. I'm Miss Sharon and our storytime today is going to be all about colors. But first we're going to start with our opening song is The More We Get Together. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Because your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job. Okay, now we're going to sing Colors We Know. And it's going to be sung to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So sometimes I get it wrong. So, okay, ready? Red and orange, green and blue, shiny yellow, purple too. These are the colors that we know, way up high in the rainbow. Red and orange, green and blue, shiny yellow, purple too. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do 4 little crayons. Okay, this is my first shot at this, so. Okay, ready? The first one said, I'm red, you know. The second one said, I'm green like a tree. The fourth one said, the third one said, I'm blue like the sea. And the fourth one said, I'm orange as the sun. The crayons all said, being crayons is fun. 4 little crayons, happy as can be, coloring pictures with you and with me. Now, I don't know if some of you will recognize these crayons, but they are the crayons from the day the crayons quit. You see this one? This one kind of looks like, This one over here looks, he looks surprised. And this one, he just kind of looks indifferent. And green has a smile. If you haven't read that book yet, I highly recommend it. It's a really good book. Okay. Let's put our crayons back. Okay, now I'm going to read The Crayon Box That Talked. It's written by Shane DeRolf and illustrated by Michael Letzig and read with the permission of Scholastic. You guys ever heard your crayon boxes talk? When walking in a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say. I don't like red, said yellow, and green said, nor do I. And no one here likes orange, but no one knows just why. We are a box of crayons that doesn't get along, said blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. Well, I bought that box of crayons and took it home with me and laid out all the colors so the crayons could all see. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green and black and white and orange and every color in between. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. Colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched till I was through. Oh, they all look happy, don't they? And when I finally finished, I began to walk away. And as I did, the crayon box had something more to say. I do like red, said yellow, and green said, so do I. And blue, you were terrific, so high up in the sky. are a box of crayons, each one of us unique. But when we get together, the picture is complete. The end. So see, they didn't like each other, but then they saw how they could work together, and now they're all happy. Okay, now we're going to do Mary's many-colored lambs. So here's Mary. There she is. And Mary had a little blue lamb, okay, I'm probably going to start singing, so a little blue lamb, a little blue lamb. Mary had a little blue lamb whose fleece was blue as the sky. And Mary had a little green lamb, a little green lamb, a little green lamb. Mary had a little green lamb whose fleece was green as the grass. Mary had a little red lamb, a little red lamb, a little red lamb. Mary had a little red lamb whose wool was as red as a strawberry. Mary had a little yellow lamb, a little yellow lamb, a little yellow lamb. Mary had a little yellow lamb whose fleece was yellow as the sun. Mary had a purple lamb, a purple lamb, a purple lamb. Mary had a little purple lamb whose fleece was as purple as grapes. Mary had a little pink lamb, a little pink lamb, a little pink lamb. Mary had a little pink lamb whose fleece was as pink as bubble gum. And then Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. So Mary had the lamb of many colors. Okay. Okay, now we're going to read Monsters Love Colors, written and illustrated by Mike Austin, and read with the permission of HarperCollins. Monsters love to scribble, scribble, mix, dance, and wiggle. Mish, mash, and splish, squash, squish, squash, mish, mash, mish, and squash, mish, mish, squash, squash. Oh my goodness, they're making a mess, but look at all those colors. Monsters love new colors. Favorite, favorite, favorite. Oh, see, look, they all have their favorite color, but you think they're going to make some new colors? My favorite color is red. Red is the color of roar and snore and more, more, more. My favorite color is yellow. Yellow is the color of prowl and howl and growl, growl, growl. I think he's a lion. My favorite color is blue. Blue is the color of scribble and dribble and nibble, nibble, nibble. Hey, don't eat your crayons, silly monster. Yeah, you probably really shouldn't eat your crayons. What new favorite color can we make for you? And they yell, orange. So they want orange. Scribble, scribble, mix, dance, and wiggle. Mixing red and yellow makes orange. So there's orange. And what new favorite color can we make for you? Green. Does anybody know what colors make green? Dribble, scribble, mix, dance, and wiggle. Mixing yellow and blue makes green. Oh, and this guy says, oh, me next. What color do you think he's going to want? And what new favorite color can we make for you? Purple! Hey, buddy, I was supposed to be purple. Uh-oh, purple must be a favorite color. I know it's mine. Scribble, scribble, mix, dance, and wiggle. Mixing red and blue makes purple. And what new favorite color can we make for you? Red, yellow, blue, orange, green, purple? I know! Super Tropical Mega Monster Rainbow Swirl with raspberry on top. How's he gonna make that color? Scribble, scribble, drip, splash, dribble, mix, mash, squish, squash, dance, and wiggle. Oh, looks like they're mixing all the colors together. Red, yellow, blue, orange, green, yellow, rainbow. Monsters love making new colors. The end. Oh, that one's really good. I like that one too. Okay, let's take down Mary. And we're going to do rainbow colors. Oh, and here's our little caterpillar. Okay. First to come to the garden bed is a lovely butterfly of red. Then in comes another, and that makes two. Fly right in, my friend of blue. The garden is fine, the best I've seen, says the butterfly of softest green. Fly on in, butterfly with wings of yellow. Our garden needs a sunny fellow. Little friend of purple, fly in too. The garden is waiting for a color like you. Orange, orange, you've waited so long. Fly on in where you belong. Butterflies, butterflies, you're such a delight, such a sight. Flying together, what a delight. Which one? Let's put the worm on the purple butterfly. Yeah, there we go. We'll put him there. Okay, now I have one more book. It's called I'm Feeling Macaroni and Cheese. So what color is macaroni and cheese? Is it yellow or is it orange? And it's written by Tina Gallo and read with the permission of Simon Spotlight. There are so many different ways to express your feelings. You can sing a song, you can do a happy dance, you can send an email emoji to a friend, you can express your feelings through colors too. Just turn the page to discover the magical world of expressing yourself through color. Happy! Happy is a feeling that makes me smile. It is a warm, bubbly, delicious color. Happy is macaroni and cheese. And I'm feeling macaroni and cheese. What color is happy to you? Could it be yellow or something else? Excited. Excited is a feeling that makes me want to jump up and down. It is a thrilling, electrifying, dazzling color. Excited is razzmatazz. I'm feeling razzmatazz. What color is excited to you? Mysterious. Mysterious is a feeling that makes me want to be alone with my thoughts. It is a deep, dark, secretive color. Mysterious is midnight blue. I'm feeling midnight blue. What color is mysterious to you? Silly. Silly is a feeling that makes me laugh out loud. It is a soft, giggly, fun-loving color. Silly is tickle me pink. I'm feeling tickle me pink. What color is silly to you? Powerful. Powerful is a feeling that makes me stand tall and proud. It is a rich, regal, inspiring color. Powerful is purple's mountains majesties. I'm feeling purple mountains majesties. What color is powerful to you? Surprised! Surprise is a feeling that makes me gasp. It is a shocking, stunning, startling color. Surprise is mango tango. I'm feeling mango tango. What color is surprise to you? Cozy. Cozy is a feeling that makes me snuggle under a blanket. It is a cuddly, comforting, soothing color. Cozy is fuzzy wuzzy. I'm feeling fuzzy wuzzy. What color is cozy to you? Joyful. Joyful is a feeling that makes me want to dance. It is a sunny, cheerful, radiant color. Joyful is dandelion. I'm feeling dandelion. What color is joyful to you? You can even feel different emotions at the same time. What colors are you feeling today? These feelings are brought to you using the colors listed below. But you can also try different colors. Use your imagination. So we have macaroni and cheese. He's right here. Razzmatazz, midnight blue, tickle me pink, purple mountains majesties, jungle green, mango tango, fuzzy wuzzy, dandelion, and wild blue yonder. So what colors make you feel good and what colors mean something to you? Okay, now we're going to do Skinamarink. Are you guys ready? Skinamarinky dinky dink, skinamarinky doo. I love you. Skinamarinky dinky dink, skinamarinky doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. I don't know if that's right. Skinamarinky dinky dink, skinamarinky doo. I love you. Skinamarinky dinky dink, skinamarinky doo. I love you too. Boo-boopy doo. Mwah! That is a super fun song. I like doing that one. Okay, now for our craft this week, kind of have a project, because you're going to get a bag like this and it's got a whole bunch of things in it. It's got different colors of paper and it's got pipe cleaners and some pom-poms and some cupcake liners and some jewels. It's just got all kinds of stuff in here that you can pick up and take home and make your own craft projects. So this is going to be all your imagination to see what you can come up with for your craft. Okay, now we're going to sing our closing song. You ready? Thanks for sitting, thanks for listening, thanks for coming here today. Now that story time is over, I hope you have a lovely day. Come back next week for Miss Haley's bilingual story time. Bye-bye.